How's it going, everyone? This is the Sigma 10 to 18 f2.8 DCDN. This is a crop sensor lens, but it will work on a full frame camera, which I will be testing it on today. This is a great lens. If you're looking for a single lens for your camera, this is going to be the best one to get the best value lens. It does come with, first we'll take a look at this quickly right here, and we'll put this on the camera in a sec, but it is a lens hood and it's metal? No, it is just hard plastic. It is hard plastic, but still really good. Really like that quality feel to the lens. So initially opening it up, obviously we do get all the instruction booklet and all that good stuff, which I know you guys don't care about, so we're not even going to look at that. There's the box itself, so just the lens hood and the lens. And the lens, super small, but it's got some decent weight to it, so it feels like good quality, but it feels nice in hand. I really like that. Let's get a closer look. So we have the 10 to 18 on there, and it's defaulted on the 18. And if we zoom to the 10, it will go out. If we zoom to 18, it goes back in. It's kind of odd how it's kind of the opposite, you would think, but that's just how it is. Take that Sigma lens cover off. You can see the beautiful lens right there. And then we'll take that back off. All metal right there on the back. Really nice quality. We'll go all the way around. So we have, that's not a button. I think it's just a little switch right there, but very nice lens. There's your alignments right there. Let's go ahead and test it on my camera. All right, here's my main camera, which is a Sony a7 IV full frame camera, but it will work on a full frame. So let's go ahead and put it in. I've got the rotating collar on here, so it looks a little bit weird, but does work with that rotating collar. Snaps right in. And look at that, gorgeous looking, works very nicely on here. So let's go ahead and put that lens cover on so we can see what it looks like. And look at that, gorgeous, absolutely love this lens. We'll be testing it out in some future videos, but thank you very much for watching. Definitely a great pickup.